Now let's move on to next illustration. So the next illustration says, draw a pie diagram, represent the following data on the proposed outlay during the fourth 5-year plan. So the data is already given, we have to represent it into the form of pie chart. So as we have done in the other cases also, first of all taking agriculture. So agriculture is equals to 6,000 upon, now we need to do the total first. 6,000, 4,000 becomes 10,000, 10,000 to then this becomes 12,500, 12,500 plus 4,500, 12,000 plus 4,000 is 16,000, then it becomes 17,000, 17,000 plus 3,000 is 20,000. This means the total becomes 20,000, 20,000 into 360, into 360. Now cancelling this, 3 zeros from this and this from this, we'll get 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 10, 108 degree. This means we are getting, for agriculture we are getting 108 degree. Next is industries. So for industries we have 4,000, 4,000 upon 20,000 into 360. So now cancelling the zeros, we get 20, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7, 720. 720 degree. Next is third. Just check once this one. Sometimes the calculation goes wrong, but we can check also. 4,000 upon 20,000. 4,000 upon 20,000 into 360. So now cancelling the zeros, this is also cancelled, 2 2s are 4. We get 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7, 72 degree. 72 degree. Next is, third one is irrigation and power. So irrigation and power is equals to 2,500 upon 20,000, 20,000 into 360, into 360 degree. You will get, what? You need to calculate this first of all. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Then we have 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36, 9 5s is 45. So 45 degree as a whole. Next, fourth one. Fourth is what? Communication. So for communication we have 4,500 upon 20,000 into 360, into 360. This gets cancelled. Now this gets also cancelled. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 4 9s are 36, 9 9s is what? 81. 81 degree. Next is fifth one. So fifth is what? Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is 3,000 upon 20,000 into, total is what? Total is this, and then 360 we have. Now calculating this, cancelling zeros, cancelling 0, we get 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. We will get 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 5, 54 degree. Now representing all these degrees in pie charts as we have already done, you can just form a small pie chart and mark them as 108, 72 degree, then we have 45, 81, 54. इसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स हम कर सकते हैं टू रिप्रेजेंट पाई चार्ट. कलर्स से हर सेक्शन ऑफ पाई चार्ट क्या होगा, अलग दिखेगा, और हमें क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझ में आएगा कि हमने कैसे उसे डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में सेंट्रल एंगल्स में चेंज करके और फिर हमने अपने पाई चार्ट में उसे रिप्रेजेंट किया है. नेक्स्ट इज the following data relates to the cost of construction of house in Delhi. Now the percentage is given. Now the difference here in this question is that the percentage is given to you. You need to convert the percentage into degree. So to convert your percentage into degree, you can use this formula. Percentage value of component upon 100 into 360 degree. Upon 100 into 360 degree. So what we can do is, first of all 30% is given for cement. So for 30 upon 100 into 360. Cancel this. 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9, 10, 108 degree. Next we have for steel. So for steel we have 10 upon 100 into 360. We cancel this. We get 36 degree. We get 36 degree. Third is bricks, equals to 10 upon, for bricks also we have the same 10%, so we are going to get what? We are going to get 36 degree only. Next we have timber. So for timber we have timber 15%, so 15 upon 100 into 360. Cancelling this, we get 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 18. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, plus 2 5, 54 degree. Now labor and miscellaneous in the similar way. First of all labor. For labor we have 25%, so 25 upon 100 into 360. Into 360. 4 9s are 36, 0, 90 degree. We'll get 90 degree. Then at last we have miscellaneous, again 10%, so again we are going to get what? 36 degree only. 10 upon 100 into 360 degree equal to 36. 360, 36 degree. Now representing this all angles in different pie chart way, as we have already done in the other examples. You just need to draw a pie chart and then represent these different angles on the pie chart and your question will be solved. Next is draw a pie diagram for the following data of expenditure pattern in a family. Now here again we are given the same thing. 4,000 for this we have already solved. Same question, you can solve it. You just have to find out the central angle in this case, and then again find out the central angle and then plot it in your pie chart. Next is the following data relates to the expenditure of the families A, B and C per month. Now we have family A, family B and family C. So we need to check for which family we have to represent this data by a pie diagram. For three of the families we have to draw the three different pie charts. For the three of the families we have to draw the three different pie charts. We have already done this. What we have to do is, first of all, take the total for all the three different families. Take the total for all the three different families. For example, this 4 plus 2 600, 600, 800, 900, 900 and this 1000. 1000 is the total for this family. So for this family we have 1000 as total. 1000. Now for family B, 1000, 1000, 1300, 1300, 1700, 1700, 18, 19, 20. This means 2000. Total for this family becomes 2000. Now family C. So for family C, what we can do, 16 plus 15 is 15, 15, 30, 3100, 3200, 3200 plus 800 is 4000, 4000 plus 3 is 4300, 4300 plus 800 is what? 5100, 5100. So 5100. You can calculate also 16 plus 15 is 3000 and then 3100, 3100, 1032, 32 plus 800 is what? 4000, 4000 plus 3 is 4300, 4300 plus 800 is what? your 5100. So you will get the total as 5100. Next is find out for each case 400 upon 1000 into 360 degree. Again the same thing here, 200 upon 1000 into 360 degree. Then for 200 upon 1000 into 360 degree. Then for 100 upon 1000 into 360 degree. Then we have 50 upon 1000 into 360 degree. 50 upon 1000 again into 360 degree. So now calculating for each central angle for each case in this family A, what we have to do, you have to apply these formulas and then solve it. So what are we going to get? First of all, cancelling these zeros, we get 4 into 36, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 14, 144 degree. So representing 144 degree here, 144 degree. Then we have this, cancelling this, we have 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7, 72 degree. Represent 72 degree. Then next we have, again we will get 72 degree here. So again 72 degree. Then cancel this, we'll get 36 degree. So 36 degree. Then we are left with 2. Cancel this. Now 5, 2, 5, 2. So 2, 18. 18, 18 degree for both. Representing this both 18 degree, 18 degree. So this is how we can draw the pie chart for this particular family. Similar way we can draw the pie chart for B also and for C also. You just have to draw the pie chart. No comparison has to be done in this question. क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ पाई चार्ट बनाने को बोला है, तो हम सबसे पहले तीनों फैमिलीज का कैलकुलेशन करेंगे कि सेंट्रल एंगल कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा. सेंट्रल एंगल कैलकुलेट करने के बाद डायरेक्टली हमें उसे पाई चार्ट में प्लॉट करना है. पाई चार्ट में प्लॉट करने के लिए आप उसे प्रोटेक्टर से मेजर करके भी प्लॉट कर सकते हो, या फिर एक रफ भी प्लॉट आप कर सकते हो अपने एग्जाम में. एंड देन एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ये है कि पाई चार्ट बनाने के बाद यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट एवरी सेक्शन ऑफ पाई चार्ट बाय डिफरेंट कलर्स और डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स, जिससे हर सेक्शन पाई चार्ट का अलग दिखे और पता चले कि आपने कुछ ना कुछ इसमें डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया है. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट द नेम, लाइक फॉर फूड यू हैव 144 डिग्री, सो यू कैन राइट हियर फूड. लाइक फॉर रेंट you have 72 degree, you can write here rent. So whatever section it represents, you can either write the name or you can draw the sections also, patterns also, or you can color it with different colors also. So this is how you can draw the pie chart. Next is the following data shows the number of students opting different subjects in a college. So for English it is given as 45. So 45 upon, first of all let's take the total. So 45 plus 60 is what? We have 45, 60, then we have 20, 30, 50, 60 again, 60, then we have 15. So 10, then we have 10, 16, 17, 18, 180. So this means we have to total as 180. 180 into 360. 180 into 360. 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. So we'll get 45 into 2, 90. 90 degree. Central angle becomes 90. Then for maths also we can take 60 upon 180 into 360. Or you can cancel it with this also. You can remain this 0. 18 2s are 36. 2 6 are 12. 120 degree. Next is for physics. For physics you have 20 upon 180 into 360. 40 degree. we have 40 degree. Then we have chemistry. Chemistry equals to 30 upon 180 into 360. So we have this 18, 2, 2 3s are 6, 60 degree. Then for economics and commerce also we can calculate. Economics 10 upon 180 into 360. We get 20 degree as our central angle. फिर कॉमर्स में 15 upon 180 into 360. Cancelling, we get 15 2s are 30 degree. So for commerce we have 30 degree. So these are the different central angles for different subjects. Now just plot them roughly in the pie chart and complete the question. So this is how we have to represent each and every section. You have to calculate the central angles in your exams. Exams में questions पूछे जाते हैं और सबसे easy questions है क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ एक ही formula उसमें put करना है और उसमें values simply put करके आपको central angle निकालना है. Central angle निकालने के बाद pie chart में show करना है. डिफरेंट कलर्स करके शो कर सकते हो या फिर पैटर्न्स भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज रीडिंग ऑफ पाई चार्ट.